All right, good evening, guys. Welcome to D&D Breaks. Tonight we'll be breaking. I actually made a mistake on my time, so I think some of them I put a Chronicles football break and a mixer both at 11. So we're gonna do the Chronicles football break first, and then we'll add the 5 box break, 5 box mixer right after this. So there was a mistake on the listing on the time, so the mixer maybe this is about 15 minutes later. So let me do the Chronicles Cellos first. There are 12 packs per box, 15 cards per pack. Let me get these out first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for 12. So the Chronicles are ready to go. Nice product this year, a lot of different things. So a lot of different varieties. So let's get going on that. If you miss any of the break or you want to see it again, it'll be on my YouTube channel about 20 minutes or so after the breaks, or right here on Instagram. So all right, let's go. Let's get going with the Chronicles first. The mixer will be coming up, guys. Sorry about the mistake on the time. So the mixers will be right after this. So let's go first with the Chronicles football with the Ray Lewis and Cam Newton, Landry, Juju, Jordan Love, Green Bay Packers, Chase Young, Chronicles, Washington. We're going to have a Prism coming up. Our first Omega. There we go. Joe Burrow, Cincinnati for Matt. So Matt with the Joe Burrow Omega. Right behind it, we have Brian Edwards. And our Prism Black belongs to Kansas City, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. So KC and Matthew with the Edwards-Helaire. Chase Claypool, Johnson, Jordan Love, Green Bay, Gridiron Kings. That's also for Matt. Judy, Tua, Miami for Nicholas, and J.K. Dobbins. Yes, I'm sorry, guys. There was a mistake on the listings. I'm going to do the Chronicles first. Then I'll do the mixer. My bad. I don't know how that ended up happening, but we'll take care of it. All right. I will penny sleeve all rookies. Top load the big boys just for saving time right now. I may not get to them all, but before they are shipped, I will definitely get those out to you. So let's get those penny sleeve right here. And let's go to pack number 2. McLaurin, Washington, the Rams, Akers. We're going to have another Prism coming up. Barkley, Emmett, Dan Marino, Omega, Tua, Miami, Nicholas, Tyler Johnson, Omega, and our Prism. Went the other way, but I saw the bottom. Here we go. Prism Black, Chargers, Justin Herbert for William and the Chargers. So we got our Prism Black, Herbert, and pack number 2. Here we go. That's the way to start the break tonight. A Tua or a Jordan Love. There we go. We are off to the races here. Hope it's a sign of things to come. So we have Justin Herbert, Prism Black out of the Cellos. So 2 Prisms and 2 packs. That's what we like to see. So a nice one for William. Get that top loaded for you right now, William. Get it out there. All right. So William's there for the Herberts. I say, get a lot of good stuff in these Chronicles. A lot of different variations. I thought they did a very good job this year. So I will be breaking more Chronicles this week. We got some blasters. There's another Justin Herbert Chronicles. Blasters and some. I got a little bit of everything coming up. It may not be listed yet, but it will get there. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Chase Claypool, Omega. Keyshawn Vaughn, Omega. Jalen Hurts, Philly. Playoff Momentum. This is the clear one. So Philly and Dean. Right behind it, another Jalen Hurts. Chase Young, Washington. CD, DeAndre Swift. Ruggs and T. Higgins. So we got a Jalen Hurts to get on the board. So all the quarterback, the big four, seem to be accounted for so far. So let's keep it up with Jerry Rice, Rivers, Murray and Allen, Kamara, Henry Ruggs, nice one for Vegas, Omega Henry Ruggs for Las Vegas, Nicholas, Kemet for Chicago, Omega, for Mandy, oh no, that's not, nope, but for Carl, I'm sorry, McFarland, clearly, Pittsburgh, Jake Fromm, another Henry Ruggs for Vegas. Another Henry Ruggs for Vegas. Another Hilaire. And Cam Akers, Rams. So Matthews in Kansas City and Nicholas for Las Vegas. Getting a lot of nice Ruggs and Hilaire's. As we get Dak, Samuel. Looks like we have another. Oh no, thought we had a Prism, but it's not. Joey Bosa. I will check for you right now. I may have missed it, but I'll go back to it. Joe Burrow, Chronicles, Evans, Justin Jefferson, Omega, Minnesota, for Jesse. Jonathan Taylor, Indy. Michael Pittman, Zach Moss, Antonio Gibson, and Simmons. Let's see if that Kemet was numbered. So I go back here. Hold on one second. You are correct. Thank you. Good pickup right there. Cole Kemet, numbered 32 out of 49. So 32 out of 49 for Carl and the Bears. Thank you very much, Nick, for picking that up for me. So a numbered Kemet, Omega, and Justin Jefferson, Omega for Minnesota, and Jesse. So good box so far. We're halfway done. Loaded box so far here for the Chronicles Cellos. All right. Travis Kelce, Lamar Jackson, Randy Moss, Nick Chubb, Big Ben. I didn't either. Good eyes. Good eyes. Cooper Kupp. All right. J.K. Dobbins, Omega, Baltimore. Jonathan Taylor, Indy for Matt. Henry Ruggs, Las Vegas. Lavishka, Jacksonville. Brian Edwards, J.K. Dobbins. Zach Moss, Parini, and T. Higgins, Cincinnati. Get rid of some of the base. All right, so Higgins, Cincinnati. Seem to have a bunch of them in these Chronicles when you get going with them. But good to have. 6 to go. Chronicles, Cellos, Adams, Tannehill, Jacobs, Miles Sanders, Barry Sanders, Cam Akers, Gabriel Davis, Omega, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Omega, Antonio Gibson, clearly, Washington, Gabriel Davis, Denzel Mims, Jalen Riga, Chin, Justin Herbert, Gridiron Kings, and C.D. Lamb for Dallas. So William with another Herbert, Gridiron Kings, nice looking card there. All right, another Charger. Let's go. 5 left. Let's see if we can. I haven't got a Prism in a while. Let's see if we can get one. Here we go. Daniel Jones, Elliott. They are very nice looking, those clear cards. I think they did a very good job with this product this year. I like the clearly. I like it. It's very nice. Omega, Joshua Kelly. Omega, Donnell Mooney, Bears. Henry Ruggs, Clear Vision, Las Vegas. Jalen Hurts, Gridiron King. Joe Burrow, Cincinnati. Justin Herbert, Chargers. Jake Fromm and Jacob Eason. So another nice pack right there. Got the Herbert, another Burrow, and a Clear Vision Henry Ruggs, Las Vegas, and Nicholas having a real nice break with the Raiders. All right, Final Four. Sorry for those of you waiting for the mixer. It'll be coming up shortly. All right, Tom Brady. The first Tom Brady of the night. Tyreek Hill, Julio Jones, my man Adam, Baker Mayfield, Robbie Anderson, LaVishka, Omega, Jordan Love, Omega, Green Bay Packers from Matt, DeAndre Swift, Score, Joe Burrow, Luminance, Edward Solaire, Jordan Love, C.D. Lamb, Justin Jefferson, and James Robinson. So a real nice pack right there. Get a lot of nice receivers. The Burrow and the Love. Omega. All right, last three. I think it is. I think a nice break on him and Herbert so far. So, CD, another CD. Keep the CDs going for Dallas. Who was Dallas tonight anyway? Matt in Dallas. Jonathan Taylor. Antonio Gibson. Omega. Denzel Mims, New York Jets. Omega. Patrick Queen, Legacy Rookies, Baltimore. First one of those we have tonight. Another Antonio Gibson, LaVishka, Chase Claypool, Donnell Mooney, and Chase Young, Washington. All right, last two guys. See what we can finish up with. Claypool for Pittsburgh, Brett Favre, Gronk, Dick Butkus, Bears, always followed by Joe Namath, Tyler Johnson, J. Hamler, Denver, Omega, Jacob Eason, Indy for Matt, Omega, Tua, nice Clear Vision for Miami, Nicholas with the Tua Clear Vision, DeAndre Swift, Sneed, Mooney, and James Robinson, and Morgan for the Jets. So we are down to our last pack of the evening for our first break, the Chronicles. Haven't had a Prism in the first two packs. Let's finish up with one. See if we could get it. I don't think so. Jim Kelly, Michael Thomas, Evans, Derek Carr, Ruggs, Jalen Hurts, Omega, Philly for Dean, Jalen Riga, Omega, Philly, Dean, Justin Jefferson, clearly, Minnesota for Jesse, another Jefferson right behind it, Kemet, Claypool, Blackman, and Hamler for Denver. So overall, guys, pretty good break. A lot of good stuff. Just go over quickly some of the ones that I sleeved. And the bigger ones will get top loaded for you. So we have a Jalen Hurts, Omega, Jefferson, clearly, Clear Vision, Tua, Jordan Love, Omega, Burrow, Luminance, Clear Vision, Ruggs, Burrow, Herbert, Luminance, Herbert, Gridiron King, Justin Jefferson, Omega. Cole Kemet, numbered Omega. Jalen Hurts, playoff momentum. Tua, Omega. Tua. Joe Burrow, Omega. Prism Black, Edwards Hilaire. Jordan Love, Gridiron Kings. Tua, Luminance. And the big one, Justin Herbert, Prism Black for the Chargers. So thank you for being with us, guys, for the first break here on the Cello packs. Okay, I do have to just log off just for the purpose of getting the video, the replay on. So I'm going to log off, put the replay right on my Instagram quick, and I'll be right back with the 5-box mixer. But you just gotta have to connect with me again, okay? Thank you very much from D&D Breaks.